Hi, I'm Mike with Mattioni Plumbing, Heating and Cooling. We work with a lot of homeowners who have garbage disposals, but many aren't sure what they can put down them or how to know when it's time for a replacement. In this video, I'll walk you through the most common questions we get about garbage disposals so you can understand how yours works, how to take care of it, and how to tell when it might be time for a new one. What are the signs it's time to replace a garbage disposal? A few signs that it may be time to replace your garbage disposal include leaking, frequent clogging or jamming, the disposal being louder than usual, humming while the unit is off, or the unit not turning on at all. Is there a way to make my disposal quieter? It is very difficult to make a current disposal run quieter, but there are many new garbage disposals out now that are made to run quieter. Larger disposals, like the 3/4 and 1 horsepower ones, are typically quieter as well. How do I maintain my garbage disposal? You can keep your disposal in good shape by regularly running cold water while it's on, avoiding hard or stringy foods, oil, or grease, and occasionally cleaning it with a mix of cold water and vinegar or dish soap. How long should a garbage disposal last? Garbage disposals typically last around 10 years. Some factors can affect that lifespan, like how much you use your disposal, more use can break it down faster, what you put down your disposal, things like bones, fibrous veggies, and grease can wear it out faster, and your water quality can shorten its lifespan. If you have hard water, it can cause more buildup and corrosion more quickly. How much does a garbage disposal install or replacement cost? Garbage disposals cost anywhere from $700 to $1,300 to purchase and install. The biggest factors that can affect the price include the type of garbage disposal you are getting installed and the horsepower of the disposal. Still have questions or want to schedule a service? Give us a call or schedule online with real-time availability. Or you can check out our online learning center to learn more about your home.